Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So it's the World Cup time and you're wondering where can you watch some of it completely free from your mobile device. Today in this video I'll give you two different good options, two different websites basically, and both of them are completely legal and safe to use. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, open your browser and go to this website bbc.co.uk. You can Google it and then open the first result if you want. From here you can create an account or not. Just tap on the search icon in the top right corner and simply search for World Cup, just like that. Tap on search or OK, and as you can see you get some results where they share some analytics about the World Cup. And when a game is playing, the first result is always going to be that game basically. As you can see, Switzerland versus Colombia is live right now, but I cannot open it right now for some reason. Anyways, that's the first website. It's bbc.co.uk. Let's go ahead and open the second website now. It's going to be ITVX or ITV.com. So its name is ITVX, but if you want to open the website, it's ITV.com. And as you can see in the top picks, you can find some shows, some videos or whatever, but the first top pick, or right under it, there is a banner that is about the World Cup. You can watch some parts of it right there, or you can watch the games tapping on the live game that is playing at the time you open the website. As you can see guys here, you can just tap on the game that is live, again Switzerland and Colombia, and then watch it right here. Now be careful because these websites might not be available in your country. They're not available in mine. I had to use a VPN, as you can see in the top. You can just go ahead and download any VPN that has the UK on it. So just change your location to UK and you can watch the World Cup on those websites. And that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.